For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
The Indian Army says the process of disengagement of troops on the border in eastern Ladakh is intricate and requires constant verification. The Indian Army in a statement said both India and China are committed to the objective of complete disengagement. Army has added that senior commanders reviewed the progress of the first phase of disengagement. India and China held marathon talks on complete disengagement of troops on Tuesday. The military commanders of both countries held 15-hour-long talks in Chushul on the Indian side of the line of actual control. The protracted negotiations started at 11 a.m. on the 14th of July and ended at 2 a.m. on the 15th of July. Both sides discussed the modalities for disengagement process elaborately. Both the countries had agreed on disengagement of troops after several rounds of military and diplomatic talks. Both sides had agreed on full restoration of peace and tranquility along the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh. Senior diplomats of India and China had held a virtual meeting on the 10th of July. It was the 16th meeting of Working Mechanism for Consultation and Coordination on India-China Border Affairs. Special representatives on border issues, India's NSA Ajit Doval and China's Foreign Minister Wang Yi had held talks through phone on the 5th of July. Both the leaders had reached consensus on complete disengagement of troops.
The disengagement process that is currently underway in the western sector is specifically aimed at resolving face-off situations and close-up deployment of troops along the line of actual control. The ongoing process is based on an understanding reached between senior military commanders. The mutual redeployment should not be misrepresented. We are fully committed to observing and respecting the LAC. Any unilateral attempts to change the status quo along the LAC are not acceptable.
The high-powered China Study Group headed by NSA Ajit Doval held a meeting on Wednesday and deliberated on Tuesday's talks. Indian Army sources described the Tuesday's negotiations as positive. According to Army sources, there had been full disengagement from patrolling points 14 and 15. Partial disengagement has been witnessed at Hot Springs and Pangong So. Indian and Chinese troops moved back some distance from patrolling points 14 and 15 last week as part of the disengagement process. Both sides deployed 50 soldiers each at Hot Springs and the rest moved to permanent positions. India has been demanding the restoration of status quo ante of April along the line of actual control and withdrawal of massive deployment of Chinese troops. Pangong So remained the contentious issue and likely to take more time to resolve. The border face-offs between India and China in eastern Ladakh started in early May. Galwan Valley in eastern Ladakh remained the friction point between India and China. The Galwan clashes resulted in the death of 20 Indian soldiers and unknown number of Chinese casualties on the 15th of June. China had laid claims on the entire Galwan Valley area, and India had rejected Chinese claims and termed it untenable. India is wary of Chinese designs and has been proceeding with the disengagement process with extreme caution.